Tired of emailing files to yourself between your desktop and your phone? Yeah, I've been there too. It's frustrating when you need a document from your computer while you're out, or a photo from your phone while you're at your desk. So here's how to link OneDrive in under 2 minutes. No more email attachments, no more USB drives, just automatic syncing between all your devices. All right, so here's the plan. We'll start from your desktop, open the settings, and then scan a QR code with your phone. That's it. By the end, your files will flow between both devices like magic. Let's get started on your computer. First, look for OneDrive in your taskbar. That's the little bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small cloud icon. Just click on it. This opens up the OneDrive window, and this is where we'll make the connection. If you don't see it, you might need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons, but normally it's right there. Now, in that OneDrive window, find the gear icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Looks like a little cog wheel. Go ahead and click on it. This brings up a small menu with a few options. And here's the really important part. You need to click on Settings. Not just any option, but specifically Settings. That's where we set everything up. So the Settings window opens up. Look through the tabs at the top and click on the one that says Account. Then you'll see a button that says Get the OneDrive mobile app. Click that, and your screen will change to show a big QR code. This is the bridge between your computer and your phone. Don't close this window. You'll need it for the next step. Now grab your phone, open your camera app, and point it at the QR code on your screen. Most modern phones will automatically recognize the code and show a notification at the top. Tap on that notification, and it will take you directly to the App Store. If your camera doesn't automatically scan it, you might need to use a QR scanning app, but most phones handle this natively now. If you don't already have the OneDrive app installed on your phone, go ahead and install it. It's free. The App Store will walk you through it, and it usually takes just a few seconds to download. Once it's installed, open it up. Here's the key part. Sign in using the same Microsoft account you use on your desktop. This is important. If you use a different account, your files won't sync. So make sure it's the same email and password. Once you're signed in, the app will start syncing immediately. And now for the satisfying part. Give it a moment to process. You'll see your desktop files start showing up on your phone, and any photos you take on your phone will appear on your computer. You can open a document, edit it on the go, and then continue working at your desk later. No manual syncing, no extra steps. It just works. And that's it. You're all set. From now on, you can access your files from anywhere, and they'll always be up to date. No more emailing yourself, no more wondering if you have the latest version. Just seamless access between your desktop and your phone. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.